the reintegration into the real world. It's doing the daily chores again. Learning to do new ones. Finding secrets. Old habits die hard. Do you have old ragged underwear you don't need anymore that you need to part with? Well, introducing the Rago underwear. Works as a front or as a back. Fine stitching. Repurpose. Use a Rago underwear for your wet feet. Use a Rago underwear to clean up the mess you make. Clean every corner, clean every tile. A lot of cleaning. Keep your new house clean with a rag. Oh, you don't need this nice $300 non-water absorbent, non-functional rug. Use the Rago underwear. Use the Rago underwear. Use the Rago underwear. Use the Rago underwear. So as you are learning to move into a new stage in your life, learning to put away the old one behind, I hope you will learn how to make this incredibly useful, helpful. I hope I've shared something valuable. Use the Rago underwear. What am I gonna eat?